In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clear the cache here on Google Chrome. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if Chrome has been feeling slow or laggy, one of the main reasons for that is usually that cached data, especially if you do use Chrome a lot. To get started, obviously open it up and make sure you don't have any important tabs open since we want to do this properly. And go up to the top right corner and select the little three dots right below the X. And then from here, go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom and open up your settings. Now, once you do go ahead and open up your settings, you're going to see a few different things on here. Essentially, look for the specific option on here to go into your privacy and security. It's going to be on the left-hand sidebar. If you're not seeing it here, just search for privacy and security and then go to it. And in this option, you're now going to see a specific tab for delete browsing data. Select that. Now, once you do pull up this page, what you're going to want to do is actually go to this more section and just change it to all time, just like so. And as you can see, I have a ton of cache data here on here. Now, if you see a show more option or an advanced options on here, go ahead and open that up. And you're just going to want to make sure that everything is ticked on here. And once you do have that done, go ahead and hit delete data. After you go ahead and hit delete data, and it will take a few seconds, the cache will be cleared and Google Chrome should be a lot smoother and a lot faster. You are going to have to sign into your accounts again, so just keep that in mind. But as soon as you go ahead and do that, you are good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.